This way I live in America. Like, no, it's not easy. Look at that. People are cooked up, snowing. Look, mass snow. Yeah, me if you tell about it. Snowing. Me not go there. Me just tell us that this is what we face on a daily basis when you come to America, you see? So everybody who thinks their life is glam America, it's not. It's not really glam. You just have to come and know, say, you have to live your life and be happy with everything what you have. Like, you have to live your life because, and you can't give people away all your shit because, you see it? Snow at the door. Enough of them want to want to do it. So this is what me and black phone today. So you can see say out the door is going bad. That's why people have to stay in the yard. And when people give them stuff, one should have, one should be appreciated, not. One should be more appreciated, not hateful, not be thankful. But me gone. I'm flip back the camera on me. Yeah, I wear this t-shirt of remembrance of my grandmother. So I have like a lot of them, so I wear them just to be close to my grandmother. I know that, guess what, a great lady that came on the earth and make me a great woman to make part of my life, and she installed some great shit in me that I would never forget about her. See right here, see, that's her. Like, she just embraced the woman in me. Like, if I should, like, when I get old, I wanted to be like my grandmother. She was so consistent, love, and she know what she want in life. She never gave up. She always teach us the right thing. So I could sit here and say my grandmother was loved, and I was loved by her. So, but I'm just saying, every time I look in life, when I look back in life, I could say I have the great, and I have the good and the bad comedy. So I'm not going to say my life is perfect, but I could sit there and say, you know what? Life is amazing. That because mostly some people in life don't got the chance that I got to see the both world. And I'm so thankful to know that I could live to see both world and to come to America and have a youth in America and be the best mother I could. That's a wonderful thing to know that the life that we live is so, it's just like, it's amazing. Even when you have the ups and the downs. So I always want to tell a single mother, don't give up on life when life hit you, because you're not going to be staying the same way. Always thinking about the good. Always thinking about being you. Always thinking about living your life, because at the end of the day, I always said, you know what? I learned over these 2 years that I'm more going to talk regardless of who you are, and you got to love your life. And to me, it's like sitting here is a blessing to know that I was loved by many people. I was loved by many people. I be hated by many people, but the good cover the bad, the hatred, all that thing. Because when people met me, they know I'm a beautiful soul, and I'm loving, I'm kind, all in good things there. But today is snow day. We don't got nothing to do. So my outfit of the day is my grandmother t-shirt, a black ties, and I added the slippers. That's the t-shirt. That's my stuff, and that's my outfit for the day. And I'm being chilling in my house, and I just came down to take a walk in the lobby where I live in my building. I just came down to just take a walk, talk my feelings, and have a little fun with you guys. And I hope that I could bring these videos to you on a daily basis, because I need to be consistent. And me sitting here right now talking to you guys, I feel so free, and to know that I have 300 people who watch view my videos. I'm really appreciative of each and everyone that stopped by, show me love. Leave your, don't forget to always subscribe, leave ideas, leave your opinion, because I'm open for opinions, good opinions. I know that it's going to come with negative and positive, but I will always say the positive, that the positive will make me better, and I'll grow and make me acknowledge more life, understand life. You understand me? So leave all your comments. I'm so happy to be here with you guys. Don't forget to share, like, and comment. Please leave message if you want, and have a great day. It's snowing in Albany. It's a snowstorm, And what can we do more than sit and talk? I hope you have a blessed day. Don't forget to subscribe to all my media platforms. So later.